Bro, I've been trying to learn English for months, but my brain just says nope.
Your brain isn't the problem. Your method is.
Oh, really, Mr. English Master? What's your secret?
Stories.
Stories? Like kids' bedtime stories? I'm not 5.
Exactly. That's why you're struggling. Kids learn fast because they enjoy it. You're trying to learn like it's a punishment.
Okay, but how does stories help me speak English?
Simple. Stories make your brain understand, not just memorize. When you hear a story, you connect words with emotions, images, and situations.
Sounds interesting. Give me an example.
All right, imagine this. A boy walks into a bakery. He smells fresh bread. He smiles and says, "1 loaf, please." But he realizes he forgot his money.
Classic. That's me every time.
See? You already understood everything without translating. That's the magic.
True. I didn't even think in my language.
Exactly. That's learning English naturally.
So what do I do? Just listen to random stories all day?
Not random. Follow this simple method. Step 1. Listen to easy stories. Start with simple English stories. If it's too hard, your brain will panic.
My brain already panics when I hear present perfect tense.
Forget grammar for now. Focus on understanding. Step 2. Repeat the story. Listen again and again. First time, you understand 50%. Second time, 70%. Third time, boom, 90%.
Won't that get boring?
Not if the story is interesting. Choose funny or emotional stories. Drama works too. Step 3. Speak the story. After listening, try to tell the story in your own words.
Even if I make mistakes?
Especially if you make mistakes. That's how you improve.
Okay, let me try. A boy went to bakery. He forget money and cry?
Not cry. Maybe he feels embarrassed. But hey, that was great.
Really?
Yes, you're already speaking. That's the goal.
So no grammar books?
Grammar is useful, but not at the start. Think about it. Did you learn your first language with grammar rules?
No, I just spoke.
Exactly. Same idea here.
What about vocabulary? I forget new words fast.
Stories solve that too. When you hear a word in a story, you remember the situation.
Like bakery because of the bread story?
Yes. Now you'll never forget it.
This actually sounds fun.
That's the point. If learning is fun, you stay consistent. If it's boring, you quit.
Don't expose me like that.
Let's do one more mini story. Ready?
Ready.
So, a man is late for a meeting. He runs, jumps into a taxi, and says, "Fast, please." But the driver is super slow.
That's my luck.
Now tell it.
A man late runs, take taxi, but driver slow. Very slow.
Perfect. See the improvement?
Okay, I'm convinced. Stories are actually powerful.
Welcome to the smart side. Learn English through simple stories. Listen multiple times. Speak in your own words. Don't fear mistakes. Enjoy the process.
And don't cry if you forget money at the bakery.
Exactly. Always bring money and confidence. If you enjoyed this, start today. Pick one short story and practice.
And if you want more fun English lessons like this, both subscribe, keep learning, and see you in the next episode.